Hey guys, let's talk about something. Have you ever darkened an area early in your drawing, but then by the end it suddenly looks not dark enough? Like you started shading a part on white paper with a dark pencil, but once the whole drawing's done and the paper is no longer white, that shadow looks kinda weak, like it needs another layers of darkness. Well, here's why that happens. Our eyes judge light and dark based on what's around it. Hold on, I'll show you what I mean. See this little shaded part here? I'm gonna place it once on a dark background and once on a bright one. Let's take a closer look. For example, let's zoom in on corners. Seriously, it looked like I edited and made this one darker. It's ridiculous, but it's actually real. You can even try it yourself. Take a screenshot of this image, remove the background, and compare them side by side. They are literally the same. I'm gonna do it for you guys. Look, once the background is gone, there's no difference at all. That's why I always recommend shading your background first. If you start shading your main subject while your paper is still white, you might not hit the right level of darkness, especially if you are a beginner. Hope it is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya!